Hi guys, and welcome back to another Wonton Wednesday collaboration video. Today I'm calling them cheeseburger bombs. Now, the story behind these cheeseburger bombs is all while growing up, my mom would make what she called egg rolls. And it was hamburger and cheese and onions wrapped up in an egg roll wrapper and then deep fried. And I don't know where she got the idea to do it, but it is something I was so excited every time she would make these. Because of course I'd get to help her wrap them, and then who doesn't love watching something get deep fried? So, excuse me. But she always called them egg rolls. And now, of course, I know what an egg roll is, and these are not egg rolls. I guess I could call it a cheeseburger egg roll, but that doesn't sound real appetizing. So, instead, they are cheeseburger bombs. Because they're not even shaped like egg rolls. They're shaped like squares. So, anyway, that is what we are making today. It is super easy, minimal ingredients, and I mean minimal ingredients. Definitely something if you're trying to be frugal, and just use what's in your pantry or in your fridge. It goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. So, I have here about a pound of hamburger, and then to this, I'm going to add 1 onion that I have chopped. Alright, and then a little salt, and some pepper, and some garlic. Now, my mom never put the garlic in there, but I had garlic to everything. So, garlic goes in there. Give it a stir, and then you're just wanting the onions to be done. So, translucent is what you are wanting, so I will bring you back when they're at that point. Okay, I hope that you can see. Yep, I think you can. I'm running out of space. I actually canned last night for the first time in months. As you would know if you watch me regularly, I quit canning, and then my husband saw how little I had left in the pantry, because of course he never cooks, so he doesn't know. Well, he happened to open up the closet that I use as a secondary storage, and when he saw there was nothing, essentially nothing in there, he was like, you need to can now. So, who might argue with that? Of course I'll can. Because I wasn't doing it because I didn't want to have to move it in. His response to that was, well, you won't be the one carrying it. Touche, my friend. Touche. So, anyway, I don't have any room. So, I hope that this is good enough. I have here my egg roll wrappers. And then all you do is take cheese of your choice. I'm using sharp cheddar. And then take a scoop of your hamburger and onions. And I always have the problem of overfilling, but I'm going to try not to. So there. And then I have just water. You want to wet down your corners. And this is just how my mom always did it. So then you take your corners up. And you do it like this. Make sure it sticks. And then like this. Make sure all your fillings in there. And voila. Your cheeseburger bomb. I will do one more. And then I'll bring you back when my oil is heating up. Now you could always bake these. I've always had them fried, and we don't usually eat deep fried stuff, so every now and then deep frying something for my family I am okay with. Does not bother me a bit, because everyone needs to indulge themselves every now and then, and it's a nice treat. And then and you can use egg wash. People use egg wash, but my mom always used water. Water works just fine. And there you go. There's the other one. So I will bring you back after I have all these wrapped. Okay, so I have my oil that I think is heated up. Yep. Woo! Okay, oil is good to go. So you take your little cheeseburger bombs, and all you're doing is wanting it to get to a golden brown. Now, obviously, you can use a deep fryer if you have a deep fryer. I do not have a deep fryer, so I'm not using one. Simple as that. But if you have one, of course, feel free to use it. I actually haven't had a deep fryer in, gosh, years. Probably since maybe 2 years after my husband and I got together. And now I just put it in a pan, a heavy bottom pan, whenever I want to fry something, because really, we don't really fry that much. The reason we had it before is because we were always buying, you know, frozen foods, the snacks, and chicken fingers, and all that garb, and of course, it's quicker to deep fry it, but now I don't have a deep fryer, I don't have a microwave, and I'd much rather just make the stuff myself and take the time to do it. So yeah, that's that. So this is about, it doesn't take very long at all. This is what you want it to look like. So then just put it somewhere where it can drain, and then move on to your next one. Obviously this is a small pot, so I can only do one at a time because I don't want to crowd the pan. Oh no, baby, I can't grab you. So when all these are done, I will show you what they look like on the inside and give you a taste test. Okay, so I have them sitting on my jars. And I know you're not supposed to put stuff on your jars, but it's just for a moment. Now, no baby, back up. Okay, so here are the hamburger bombs, cheeseburger bombs. And I don't use any type of dipping sauce. We just eat it right like it is. But that is the inside. You can see it's all gooey, cheesy, and it is absolutely delicious. I don't know what it is about putting the cheeseburger ingredients inside an egg roll wrapper, but it does, it's delicious. I love it. And it's cheap. Woo! Hot. And for me, it brings back so many memories because, like I said, my mom used to make these a lot and call them egg rolls. And it was just the greatest thing because what kid doesn't love wrapping up egg rolls? So, anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this Wonton Wednesday video. And I hope that you try it out for yourself or change it up however you like. Inspire you in one way or another. And I hope to see you guys next time for another delicious recipe. Oh, and canning session, because the video I am making after we eat our lunch today is garbanzo beans. We're canning up garbanzo beans for hummus and roasted chickpeas. So, stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys. Thanks.